Day 2! Oh shit. We are really late. Overslept. I look like shit. Get go. I just finished the rafting and it was fun. How was it, Laura?
Awesome.
Yep. Have nice shirts also.
Yeah, guys, 7%.
This is small.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
This is the cave. Cave system. Yeah.
And the juice was really good. Was that passion fruit?
I don't know. It was like tea or something.
Yeah, but it's fruity and it's really nice. I
Yeah.
wish I could make it at home.
Yeah. So again, I'm gonna back to square one. Okay. Yeah, we woke up late, as in late. I'm gonna turn on the car.
What's this?
So yeah, we woke up late, and then we have to drive around 2 hours and 15 or 2 hours and a half heading here. But we woke up at around, what time was it? 6. So we're around 15 to
6:50.
15 to 30.
6:50.
Yeah, 6:50. That's it. Yeah. So we were so late coming over here, so we had tried to call them because it's not refundable, and they're not sure if they can book us to the next trip. But we tried our best. And we arrived here around 9:15, which is 15 minutes late. But they were so kind enough to wait for us, and the experience was awesome. Tom was really good. Sounded like Bear Grylls though, but yeah. First you go abseiling down. It's good, and then you're gonna go head uphill, up water, and then you're gonna see the glowworms, and the glowworms were good, yeah. And then after that, you're gonna go down tubing, like rafting all the way down with those tires. I punctured one of the tires. I don't know if it's me or it's just coincidence or something. Or it's me. Okay. Then after that, we went. What did we do? We went around and walked against the flow. It was really tough. We didn't have breakfast and we were hurrying up, but it was good still. And then our last one was the rock climbing heading up. It was easy, but it looks so scary when you're down there. So bottom line is give it a 5 stars out of 5. If you ever come here to Waitomo, do that trip. I'll put the link below. Yep, just a quick step over. We're heading to Taupo right now, and we're just winging it. Yeah, so it was really bad this morning because we woke up late and it's our fault. But I'm really thankful of the Kiwi rafting because they waited for us and their tour was so good. It was the first time I didn't bring any camera with me. No GoPro, no camera. But it was a good thing because they're not allowing any cameras just for safety and legal reasons. So it was really awesome. I bought some photos out of them. I'm so happy to post them anytime soon. Yeah. We were so lucky that Ate Mayet prepared us breakfast. And yeah, fortunately it's starting to rain now. I need to get inside the car. It's a really good place. I can see the creek there on the side. And the place is so good, but it's just raining. It's just raining. Our brekkie. Thanks, Ate Mayet. Smile, or. Haha. Ooh, yummy. Yeah, it's kind of cold out here, but this place is so good that I won't feel bad not filming it. Just finished our lunch, and we just stopped by this nice place here, a small reserve, and check that out. Oh, you can see. I'll take a photo of it, and we can share it later. There's a knife here. Oh, wow. So apparently we arrived late, and yeah, we didn't have any plans, but we arrived here at Lake Taupo. I just wanted to come here the last time we went to New Zealand, but the thing is we didn't have time and I was so busy and everything else. So the reason I'm coming here is just for closure. I just want to be in a place. There's lots of good sites, like I like the tree over there. There's lots of good places to go here, adventures to do, but we just didn't have much time, and yeah, that's just it. So yeah, we're enjoying the place now. I'm just taking a rest, chill, just look at the area, see wherever we go. Then by tonight we might be heading off to Auckland again. We're gonna spend the night there, I reckon, but I'm not sure. I'll be updating it with this video. And by the way, this trip I haven't made a lot of photos, because usually I take a lot of photos as I can, but for this trip I'm taking less photos, a bit of videos, but less in everything. I'm trying to control my being. I'm trying to enjoy everything. I hope you do also. It's fun that way. Yep, walking around Lake Taupo. Oh, lots of ducks everywhere. That tree really captured my attention. I'll take a photo of it. Hope you like it. If not, okay. Yeah, I'm heading to a tree and trying to get a good angle and try to take a photo of it. Hope I get a good one. Oh, float planes are there. Quack, quack, quack. Look at this. That's gonna be pretty much all of Taupo, because we don't have much time to stay here. Yeah, I'd love to see the place more and vlog more, but yeah, we don't have much time. We need to go back to Auckland, and we only had 3 days holiday. Like I'll be back in Melbourne tomorrow night and have a wedding this coming Sunday. So either way, I enjoyed, and the rafting was good. The caving, that 5-in-1 thing was really a good deal. There are lots of things to go there, like lots of things to do there. But yeah, again, time and money also. But yeah, this place is good. Although it's cold, it's just fresh. So if you happen to come by New Zealand, Auckland, do that caving thing, glowworms and that adventure thing, and it's gonna be worth it. Hookah Falls Lookout. Lookout. My goodness, I don't know what I'm saying. Huh? Hookah Falls Lookout. Gates close at 5:30. We arrive at 5:18. Whoa, nice. Oh. Rapper. So the boat's gonna pass by here. Oh my god. That's fun.
Cái lọc đó có hình đậu hết chưa? Cái đó cũng là cô.
Yeah.
Ih, sakit siya nak maliw.
Relax lang. Bunog na. You just hurt your hand. We're gonna Nakubag siya. Yeah, cold compress. So there's one, there's two. Okay, it's close to 5:30. There's Laura there. So, yep. It's kind of noisy. The fall's kind of noisy, but I gotta hurry. I gotta go there and run. Huh?
Quick look and then we have to go.
Yep. Whoa! You see that? My camera's falling off the tripod. There you go. Say hi, Will. Ooh. There we go. Yeah,
That was so quick.
that was really quick. Yeah. This one,
The clear upstream.
the gate closes at 5:30 and it's already 5 something. We came in 5:18. Just rushed. Check out the view. Check out the falls. There. Anyway. Much time. Yep. I'll take a photo here. To the car. We're currently in the scenic lookout, Taupo. That's the lake over there, and it's so cold now. Yeah, the scenic lookout is good. Like, there's a good clearing, there's a good parking lot, and the place is awesome. The view's not that perfect though, but yeah, it has camping. No, sorry. It has picnic tables and everything else. It has a bin, and you can park the car there, which overlooks the river. I mean, the lake. Shit, it's so cold I can't think now. But yeah, right now we have to go back to Auckland because it's getting dark. It's gonna be another 3-hour drive. Wish me luck. Yep, wish me luck.